Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best essential oil diffusers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Sulking Essential Oil Diffuser. This compact, budget-friendly diffuser is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone new to aromatherapy. Its sleek design, combining a white body with a wooden grain finish, gives it a modern yet natural aesthetic that blends well in any setting. With an all-in-one button design, operation is incredibly simple, perfect for those who prefer a no-fuss approach to relaxation. Performance-wise, the Sulking diffuser supports up to 3 hours of runtime with its 100 milliliter water tank, making it ideal for smaller spaces, like bedrooms or home offices. It features whisper-quiet operation and an auto shut-off function for added safety, ensuring peace of mind during use. Additionally, its built-in LED light offers a warm yellow glow, doubling as a nightlight. However, the runtime and coverage, 20 to 25 square meters, might feel limiting for larger areas. If you're looking for a compact, affordable diffuser for personal use, the Sulking is a great choice. While it lacks advanced features like multiple mist modes or a large tank capacity, its simplicity, portability, and low price make it an excellent value for smaller spaces or as a thoughtful gift. At number 4, we have the InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser. This diffuser offers solid performance at a competitive price point and is backed by InnoGear's reputation as a trusted brand in the aromatherapy space. Its compact, cylindrical design is made of durable polypropylene and features a 7-color LED light system that adds a touch of ambiance to your room. The lights and mist functions can be controlled independently, giving you flexibility in how you use it. The InnoGear diffuser is equipped with 2 misting modes: intermittent, 6 to 8 hours, and continuous, 3 to 4 hours, making it suitable for overnight use or quick bursts of fragrance. It's designed for spaces of 100 to 250 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, small offices, or bathrooms. The waterless auto shutoff feature ensures safety, while its ultra-quiet fan operates at just 23 decibels, so it won't disturb your sleep. While its small 100 milliliter tank means frequent refills for extended use, this diffuser shines as a reliable, compact option with easy portability. If you're looking for a quiet, functional diffuser with a touch of style, the InnoGear is a dependable choice that's easy on the wallet. Coming in at number 3 is the Aliexpress 300 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. This mid-range option offers a balance of functionality and style, with a 5-in-1 design that includes aromatherapy, a humidifier, and mood lighting. Its 300 ml tank supports up to 10 hours of runtime, making it ideal for medium-sized rooms like living rooms or yoga spaces. The light wood grain design gives it a natural, calming aesthetic that fits beautifully in modern homes. The Aliexpress diffuser comes with 7 LED color options and multiple mist modes, allowing you to customize your aromatherapy experience. It also features an auto shut-off function for safety, so you can use it worry-free. The materials are BPA-free, ensuring it's safe for both kids and pets. While the operation is whisper-quiet, the mist output could be slightly stronger for larger spaces. Still, it provides consistent performance and a relaxing atmosphere. This diffuser is a great option for those who want a stylish and functional device that won't break the bank. It's perfect for creating a relaxing environment at home or as a thoughtful gift for wellness enthusiasts. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Aliexpress 500 milliliter Premium Essential Oil Diffuser. This feature-packed diffuser is a top choice for those who need extended runtime and advanced functionality. With its large 500 milliliter tank, it can run continuously for up to 18 hours, making it perfect for large rooms or all-day use. The included remote control is a standout feature, allowing you to control mist settings, light modes, and timers from up to 16.5 feet away. The Aliexpress 500 milliliter diffuser also offers 7 LED light colors, multiple misting modes, and a timer function that includes 60, 120, 180-minute options, or a steady on mode. It operates at an ultra-quiet level of just 23 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe for kids and pets, and the auto shut-off function adds an extra layer of safety. Its modern round design, with a wood grain finish, is both functional and stylish. If you're after a versatile, high-capacity diffuser that delivers excellent performance and ease of use, the Asakuki 500ml Premium Diffuser is a fantastic choice. Its only downside is its slightly larger footprint, which may not suit smaller spaces. Finally, at number 1, we have the Levoit humidifiers for bedroom, which takes the top spot for its premium features and unmatched performance. This 2-in-1 device functions as both a humidifier and an essential oil diffuser, making it the most versatile option on our list. The massive 3-liter water tank offers up to 25 hours of runtime, making it ideal for large rooms, nurseries, or even small apartments. The top-fill design makes refilling hassle-free, and cleaning is a breeze. The Levoit diffuser excels in performance, with a powerful mist output that can raise humidity by 10% in just 20 minutes. You can easily adjust the mist levels using the intuitive knob control, and the 360-degree nozzle allows you to direct the mist wherever you need it. It also operates quietly, ensuring it won't disturb your sleep or work. The safety auto shut-off feature and BPA-free materials make it a safe choice for families. While it is the most expensive option on this list, its high-quality build, exceptional functionality, and reliable performance justify the price. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Levoit diffuser is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for those who want premium quality and are willing to invest in a product that delivers top-notch performance and long-lasting durability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.